Yes, Guru Racing Team is Andre hier again. Waar is die maak gou? We wanna figure out which fairing come where because a lot of different with Yamaha, Kawasaki and Honda fairing kits. Parts of fairings we have to put one. So yeah, we will just check which one comes. First we're gonna put the Kawa one. We're gonna make it the Honda / Kawa. So we're gonna put the Kawa fairings on first. Nee? Then we will check if it fits and then we will try the other ones.
Yeah.
Okay. If this works, like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Get the cloth. Waar toe gaan jy nou? Okay. Yeah, so we'll tune in back. Quickly get all the parts and everything, try to put it together. We'll show you that just now. Okay, so we're gonna quickly start cleaning the two blue ones. Huh? The bottom fairings of the, I think that's the Honda fairing.
Yeah.
So we're going to start cleaning this first and then we're going to put it, just wipe it on the outside just to check it. Okay. No, that one's the other side. This one is that side, this one is this side. Good job. Okay, so guys, done. Just quickly, just clean it a little bit. I'm gonna fit it down, eh?
Yeah.
Let's fit that black piece first, and then the blue pieces.
Yes, we must check because the black one is using this cock mounting.
Well, this one's connected to it from here. Let's put that one and I'll show you. guys, so we checked none of the fairings are fitting on the bike. Because if you put this one on, the wheel is almost gonna hit the wheel here. And if you put this one with this one, you cannot connect because it doesn't fit on each other. That one doesn't have the middle piece, so you're gonna still make a plan. So you guys must just stay posted. Just keep on. We are gonna work something out here because I don't know what actually gonna do. But we'll check. Okay, guys. We put it the bottom fairings on. We just have to connect these two ones here with this clip thing. Yeah, quickly. We're gonna put the black fairing on top and we're gonna check how it goes and how it looks and stuff. And yeah, maybe go and take a quick ride here in the yard. And yeah, let's check if we can fit it. Yes guys, so we fitted there's two bottom parts here with it. The young one, still busy with it. What are you gonna do with the glue?
It's broken.
Yeah, so he's gonna quickly, we call it a brakpan fix. He's gonna brakpan fix it quickly. Yeah, we're gonna put the top one, the black one. We're gonna put this black one on the top here. Gonna see how it looks, and we will show you guys just now. What's good, guys? Okay, so we put the front fairing on here. Yeah, only the mirror must just still tight, man. They're looking for someone. Yep. Not me, I'm still good. They're not looking for me. Yeah, so we put the bottom fairings on and the top one. It looks good, but only the color is not matching now. But it doesn't look that bad actually. Huh?
Yeah, it looks awful. It looks gone.
It's a police helicopter. It's a police copter. It's just looking for people that's not doing nothing in lockdown. People that's in the street that might not be there. Anyway, yeah, so we did most of the stuff now. I did not film everything because it's hard work and there are other people here that we must help them and we have to pause play the whole time. So nah. So yeah, we didn't do that. But
Looks a bit better.
yeah, but we just tie it here. I just still connected here, the two pieces. It's gonna scratch the tire roll. Nee, it's not gonna touch the tire. It looks actually a lot better though. Huh?
Yeah, it's only the color that's not.
Yeah, it's not the color, yeah. But we will see. We will still fix that, so that's not a problem. So yeah, guys. So let's take it for a quick spin, and we'll check how it goes, right?
Yeah.
But not on the grass. Just here where it's soft and not wobbly.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. Okay, guys. What about a cold start? He's gonna give it quickly a cold start. Let's see how it looks. You come past us. Let's go. Let's I'm just gonna sit here. Almost full. Okay, yeah. So it looks better a little bit. It looks a lot better actually. Just the color, we just need to We just need to tune the color quickly, but it doesn't look that bad actually. Okay guys, he's gonna quickly, for the last bit of the video, he's gonna quickly do a burnout, just to do it. So yeah, no, it's not on the sun. Yeah, let's set it for a quick burnout before the video ends. Okay guys, here it comes. Okay, yeah. Hou me eerste. Okay, cool. Okay, cool guys. One quick burnout. So yeah, stay tuned for the further of the build. Yeah, it's almost done. We are anyway gonna order new fairings for it. This is just for now. We're gonna spray it and make it cool. So yeah, remember to press the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So from my side, we're out. Away.